I am your father.
What's sweet? Why is your voice so deep? Oh.
Because it's almost Father's Day, people, and our father is a superhero. So today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are making 3 cocktails. Yes, it's happy hours for Dad. The first drink recipe we're doing is a Jalapeño Margarita. This is a kick in the pants, baby. We're spicing it up, we're putting a spring in your step, and we are bringing the heat. Let's go.
Okay, we have 2 cups of ice in here. Let's add 3 ounces of sweet and sour mix.
Sweet and sour mix.
1.5 ounces of tequila. I know you like that part.
Tequila, oh delicious.
1 ounce of triple sec.
Triple sec going in.
Oh, and also 1 tablespoon of lime juice, which
lime juice.
I know you will use your muscles for.
Do you like that sound?
It's really not that hard, but okay.
I like the drama.
And then we have a 1/2 inch piece of jalapeno that we've chopped up that we're adding in. Okay.
She grew these in her garden.
I did.
For reals.
Turn it on. It's gonna blend for 5 minutes and away we go.
It's all blended up and let's have our margaritas.
Okay, we just turn the spout and away we go.
Oh my gosh, can I put my face under there?
You can.
Cheers, Dad. That was so corny.
So corny.
The second cocktail is a refreshing ginger beer shandy. It is a collision between a lemonade stand and a kegger. Keg stand.
Okay.
Keg stand time.
Okay. Wait, grab.
This is not good.
Grab.
Not good.
Grab. No. Hey, wait.
And kick up.
I'm told you were gonna kick. Ugh. All right, we have a 1/2 cup of your favorite beer. We're gonna pour it into a pitcher.
Okay.
We're adding 1/2 cup of ginger ale.
This is feeling very easy, like totally within my
Oh yeah,
capabilities.
It's easy, really refreshing. And 1/4 cup of lemonade. That's it. We're gonna pour it into glasses and garnish with some lemon slices.
For our third cocktail, we are going to light it up, baby. We're setting off fireworks with this Pop Rocks Martini.
This will be fun. Okay, we have a cocktail shaker we filled with ice, and we're gonna add to that, oh boy. We're gonna add to that 1 ounce of lemon vodka, 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, 1/2 ounce of blue curacao, and 1 ounce of fruit punch. You're gonna shake that up. Do you wanna shake? Oh, no, you're busy, I can see. And pour. And there is your Pop Rock Martini.
Dad, I love you. Happy Father's Day, man. You're the best.
Happy Father's Day.